How many times have you seen me doing this? Olive oil in my pan. The first step to so many Greek dishes. So I'm making really delicious, very easy pan-roasted potatoes. This is my go-to recipe, and like most good things in life, it happened totally by chance. I'm gonna let these sear in the olive oil, pan covered. Searing, steaming, it's kind of all happening at the same time. I'm just gonna give the potatoes a shake so that they roll in the olive oil and are beautifully coated. I'm gonna cut my garlic into thin slices. There's a lot of value in cooking up potatoes in a really simple way and a somewhat unusual way because these are actually cooked in red wine. I'm gonna add my garlic to this now. The reason I add the garlic at this point, I don't want the garlic slices to burn. I'm just gonna give this a little bit of a shake to move the garlic and the potatoes around together in the pan, and I'm about to add my herbs. Rosemary, a little bit of beautiful Greek dried sage, a little bit of salt, a little pepper. I'm just gonna raise my heat slightly. I want my wine to steam up, and I'm gonna deglaze the potatoes, but I'm also gonna let them essentially cook for the rest of the time in the wine. This is gonna take about 25 to 30 minutes. It kind of depends a little bit on the size of the potatoes. I like to use those beautiful new potatoes for this sort of dish. They both steam and sear in here. So you get something that you almost can't tell whether they've been cooked in liquid or whether they've been dry roasted in the oven. These potatoes smell amazing. And they look amazing. Look at this gorgeous color, darkened by that gorgeous red wine, really earthy. Whatever little juice is left in here, I'm gonna pour right over the potatoes. These are worth waiting for. I have to try one of these. They look amazing. It's got that gorgeous color. It's nice and crinkly on the outside and crisp, and on the inside, I can see it. It's so tender. The wine is really subtle in here. You get it in the color, but it's not overwhelming. You get a beautiful potato flavor. These make a perfect side for almost anything.